This video has everything you need to know about what to do and what not to do in case you meet with an accident in Canada. Let's jump on to our today's video. Don't worry, I'm fine, but I've been in this terrible situation twice in Canada, and it was not my fault. Somebody else's fault, but still, I still had to bear the consequences, and I don't want you to be in one of those situations. So please watch this video till the end to get all the answers you need. So what to do in case you meet with an accident in Canada. If you had any doubts so far, this video has all the answers you were looking for. So please watch till the end, and I hope I'll be able to answer all the queries which you had so far in your mind. If I miss any point, please do mention in the comment section below so that I can address it one-on-one. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I load a new video. My channel is all about life in Canada and how to make your journey in Canada smooth, plus help you immigrate to Canada in case you are looking to move from your country and make Canada your new home. Let's imagine an accident scene so that you can correlate with what I'm going to address in this video. First thing first, do not panic. Let me repeat, do not panic. In case you thought I was joking, keep calm in case of an accident. I mean, how? Probably a question coming in your mind right now. Cause insurance company got your back, and that's why you pay such high insurance in Canada. So do not panic, because no matter what the damages are, the insurance company will take care of you and your car in case of any serious damages. They will help you in each step to get everything sorted. I understand it's difficult to remember everything in case of an accident, but keeping calm will help you deal with the accident scenario in a much better way. Though there are two parts of when you meet with an accident. One is what you do at the accident scene, and second one is what you do in the next 48 hours after the accident. Let's talk about the first part. Exchange driver's information and the insurance documents. Call the police in case you think the damages are more than $2,000. Now, in most occasions, the damages would definitely be more than $2,000, so do not hesitate to call 911 and let the cops decide what they want to do. Remember, $2,000 is a very small amount in 2020, and even a small damage can be worth more than $2,000. So do not hesitate to call 911. Now, cops show up only if the damages are more than $2,000 or if there is a physical injury involved. But leave the call to them and let them decide if they will show up or not. In case you forget to call them, it is absolutely fine. I have had 2 major accidents and I never called the cops, but I reported the accident the very next day. So it is absolutely fine if you miss anything. Take the phone number of the witnesses who are ready to help you or have all the information about the accident. Take lots of pictures of the accident scene as a proof of what happened during that situation. Most important, exchange the driver's license and insurance documents of the other person involved in the accident. If the other person is not willing to share his insurance details or the driver's license details, please note his license number, as that can be useful to report it to the insurance company. Now, that's all you do at the accident scene. Now, what do you do within 48 hours of the accident? Most important part is to call your insurance company and let them know what happened. Report the accident to the collision center in your city and follow the instructions as mentioned by your insurance company. Now, what does the insurance company do? When you give them a call and let them know about the accident, they will ask you each and every detail about the accident. Who was in your car? How did that accident happen? What were you driving? What was the other person driving? And where the damages happened. Now, when it comes to fixing your car, the insurance company will ask you to drop the vehicle to an auto body shop. The auto body shop will take a look at the car and decide what the damages would be, and they'll send a detailed report to your insurance company. Your insurance company pays for the damages, and you'll just be paying the deductible in case you were at fault, and you will get the vehicle within a week or two depending upon the kinds of a damage. The insurance company will give you a loaner car for this entire period, so you are taken care absolutely. Now, a lot of people have always a doubt about what happens in case of an accident, who pays for the damages. Now, if you look at your insurance document carefully, you will be paying a deductible every time you meet with an accident. Now, that deductible amount kicks in every time you meet with an accident or even a small damage happens to your car. This deductible amount is generally $300, $500 or $1,000, or it could be different, but it would be definitely be mentioned in your insurance policy. In case you are at fault of the accident, which means that if you were responsible for the accident, you will have to pay the deductible and get your car repaired. Let's say the damages are worth $5,000 or $10,000 and your deductible amount is $500 or $1,000. You will only be paying $500 for whatever the damages would be. You won't pay the entire amount. The insurance company will take care of that. Now let's talk about in case you are not at fault, somebody else was at fault and you were just involved in an accident because of that person's mistake. In this case, the insurance company will waive off that deductible amount, which means that you would not pay a single dollar to get your car repaired. The insurance company will take care of that. Now, you may like it or not, but unfortunately, every time you meet with an accident, there are a few disadvantages which you'll have to bear. Your insurance may or may not go high in case you were at fault. It all depends on your driving history, but in most of the occasions, your insurance is definitely going to go high if you were responsible for the accident. The car value decreases no matter who is at fault, just because the car becomes an accidental car, and it will show on your Carfax report, which is a car history report, in case you were looking to sell it in the near future. Even if you were not responsible for the damage, your car value will still depreciate, as it will show on the Carfax report. That's all the information I wanted to share in case you meet with an accident. Though I really wish you never encounter this experience in your life in Canada or anywhere in the world, as it is not a pleasant experience. Now, if you found this information was useful, quickly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting updates from Canada. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.
Oh my God, इतने ज़्यादा स्टेप्स। हमारे दिल्ली में तो 2 थप्पड़ मारते थे, हाथ में पैसा देके जाता था।
तुम्हारा दिल्ली नहीं है ना, कनाडा है। बोला क्या था रे।